What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Dirty Dog Mechanic. I'm going to be reviewing this new Turtle Wax Graphene Trim Restorer. Trim Restorer. This is the trim that we're going to be restoring. Jeeps are notorious for having really old, faded trim over the years. The sun beats on them. I'm going to be doing half of this, and I'm going to test it out for a month. It is winter in New York. Not as snowy as it should be, but I'm going to be testing half of this, and I'm also going to be adding some to the front where the grunt of all the grime and salt comes. This is the front half that I'm going to be doing. This is all faded and weathered out too, so I'm going to be adding some trim restorer to that. So as per the instructions, we're going to apply a small amount to a rag or applicator, which I don't really have, so I got to put on a small rag, microfiber towel or anything. But you got to clean the area first, so that's what we're gonna do first. Got some car soap. We're gonna clean this down, and we'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, so I know it doesn't look like anything different, but I just finished cleaning this with the turtle wax. So now we're gonna apply it. This has graphene and acrylic polymers. It's supposed to restore all the dull plastic over here and give some UV protection. So you're gonna wanna put this on with a glove because this will stain. This clearly says here it has a black tint in it. See right here. Wear gloves as this product is tinted black. Well, I'm recording with my other hand that has a glove in it, so let's open this up. I wonder if I need to take the packaging off. Yes, I do. Let me make sure I don't spill this. I'll be right back. So just from opening up the package, my nail is black. That's why you wear gloves. All right, so back to the hand that has gloves. I'm gonna shake it real quick, get it going, and we're gonna squirt some on here. Let me close it away from me, and it's simply, let me do this. Oh, well, already started dripping over here. Now you start applying it. It says to give it 2 or 3 minutes until you reapply the next coat. Going circular motions back and forth. I'm gonna do the split line like right here. Not very neat, but you get the idea. And luckily my car's black and it's not in the best condition either, so even if I get a little bit on the paint, I'm probably not going to notice it. Look at that. That is black. That is not dirt, guys. That is the black tint. So we're going to do half of that. You got to get your nail up in here. All the nooks and crannies. We're going to give this 5 minutes to set, and I'm going to apply some to the front. Alright, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can tell, it's kind of doing its thing. It's tinted. Let me show you the front. I actually did the whole front. So this is one pass with the front. As you can tell, I kind of left some spaces missed there. I'll come back. Okay, so now I'm going to do my second coat. Let's mix it up. It is a little messy. It is pretty thick. I'm gonna dab it on and spread it out. If you got a white car, I definitely suggest you tape off the area back here. Or tape off whatever area you don't want it to be affected. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, is leave this on for a few weeks, one side only, and see how good this holds up, because this has never been restored, this side over here. Oh, we got some dirt under there, gotta clean that up. Really massaging that in. I'm gonna hit up the front again, but yeah, that's how it is so far.